See how tender it is. See how it jiggles? This is the kind of tenderness I wanted. And look at our beautiful egg. Whoa, look at this.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to help my wife to cook something to bring to her potluck gathering with her friends. So I'm going to make a pork trotter vinegar. It is actually very simple. I know many people actually like to mix different kinds of vinegar together, but to me, just get the right vinegar and get the ratio of between vinegar and water correct, which is 1:1, then everything will turn out beautifully. So first of all, the most important thing is of course the pork leg. Now I'm using the front pork leg here. Why? Usually because it is actually smaller. This is approximately 1.5 kg of front pork leg. I already asked the butcher to cut into chunks, big chunks for me. And most important thing to prep this is to actually blanch it. You have to blanch your pork leg. If not, it's going to turn out very, very gamey. So blanching process, very simple. Prepare a pot of water. Put in the pork into the cold water. Then you bring up the temperature until it is boiling. Of course, you can also put in a bit of rice wine and also a few pieces of ginger. Let it boil for a couple of minutes. Then it is done. You wash away all the scums. Yeah. Then you have your blanched pork leg. After that, of course, the next most important thing is this. This is the old ginger. How much to put? Really up to you. If people make this dish for confinement, they would have put double of what I'm going to put today. So it's really totally up to you. And some people, when they want to have more kick, they will even add in some dried chili. Today, I don't want to make it too spicy because my daughter will be eating this as well later. So I'm not adding any dried chili. Most important thing about the old ginger here is make sure you actually crush it, yeah, bruise it. Then the flavor can actually release easier. And of course, when we cook later, we are going to dry roast it for a while. Something extra here, I have some hard-boiled egg. Goes into the pork leg vinegar as well. That will, of course, you will need some sweetened dark vinegar. I'm actually using this particular brand here. I'm not sure if you can see clearly. Yeah, this is the brand I'm using and it really turns out to be very well. Basically, this is 500 ml per bottle. So if I'm cooking about 1 kg of pork leg, I will need 1 bottle with another 500 ml of water. That's all. And we will need some rock sugar, yeah, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of rock sugar. So first of all, we are going to dry roast the ginger. So this process, what we do here is we will actually, when you dry roast it, the water contained inside the ginger, it will actually evaporate, and whatever leaving will be the flavor. So by doing this, you will actually enhance the flavor of your ginger. So do dry roast it for a couple of minutes. Dry roast meaning you don't put any oil, yeah? And you will really smell, you can really smell your ginger along the way. So this is after about 2-3 minutes dry roasting. It is super fragrant now. Right now I'm going to move the ginger and put it into the pressure cooker. Inside the pressure cooker, I already added 1 bottle, which is 500 ml of my sweetened dark vinegar, and also 500 ml of water. And after that, I'm going to put in the rock sugar, approximately 2 tablespoons. Then we can slowly actually add in the pork leg. Then we also have some hard-boiled egg. You want everything to be nicely submerged under the vinegar. So we will definitely need to add in a bit more vinegar here, and also same level of same amount of water. Right, you do have to take note on, usually there is a level marker, yeah, maximum level marker of sauce or water or liquid on the side. So do not go beyond that, if not it may overflow, yeah. Lock it, and I'm going to choose tendon. Let me stop this one first. Choose tendon. About 35 minutes under high pressure, and let the pressure cooker do its job. So this is after the pressure has been released. Let me double check. Wow, I really wish you all can smell this. Actually, my whole house is smell of tteokbokki right now. Can you see it? Ooh. See how tender it is. See how it jiggles? This is the kind of tenderness I wanted. And look at our beautiful egg. Ooh, look at this. And you will want to drink this beautiful tteokbokki sauce. So here is Appa's very simple tteokbokki. Right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.